Nathaniel, tell me what your 2021 Science Fair project is about.
My 2021 Science Fair project is on the effects of radiation on seed germination.
Um, the setup that you have here, would you be able to explain and tell me what's going to happen?
Yes, so we have 9 snapcap vials with a set time, and I have counted out 100 mustard seeds for each vial, and we will be assigning a petri dish to each, and we'll watch them grow over a period of 7 days.
So for Nathaniel's experiment, we now have 8 snapcap vials, about 100 mustard seeds in each vial, and I will begin to activate the cesium beam. So the cesium beam is now activated, and you can tell by the survey meter the amount of radiation that's being released. This experiment will continue for 48 hours, and each snapcap vial will be pulled off at different times. 1 hour, 1.5 hours, 2 hours, 4 hours, 6 hours, 12 hours, 24 hours, and 48 hours. Unfortunately, we're not going to be able to stay here for the whole time, but we'll allow the seeds to radiate, upon which time Nathaniel will take them and plant them in a cotton-based petri dish. Right now, the seeds are receiving 40,000 millirems an hour. The normal human exposure is 800 millirems in 1 week for a healthcare professional working in a nuclear pharmacy, which means that anyone standing in front of this beam for 72 seconds would have reached their full weekly exposure.
Now, at this point, you may be wondering why there was a change in growth from the periods of time that the mustard seeds were irradiated. Well, first of all, the radiation may have damaged some vital cells in order for the mustard seed to grow, and the second cause would be that the radiation had damaged the cell's DNA, so it could not replicate properly, as the DNA is the genetic code for the mustard seed, and if that was damaged, there's no proper replication of the cell, and therefore no growth. Now that we know that, we can conclude that radiation does have an effect on mustard seeds or the growth of any plant. The gamma radiation damages so much that it affects the growth. That's why you never want to be exposed to radiation for too long or expose any other living organisms.